Hello, remote workers. I hope you're doing well. Yes, today I'm back with another work from home opportunity, work from home jobs, guys. Yes, let's go ahead and visit this simplyhired.com and see the job they have today. If you go to your Google browser and write simplyhired.com and search for the jobs, yes, right now I'm filtering data entry, and you can see they have this data entry, and this is their pay, and it's from this company. Okay, so but guys, you have to make sure you filter the job which is for that specific day you are at. So now let's see this remote assistant. Yes, remote assistants. This company is located in New York, and they pay 22,000 per year, and it's gonna be full time, and this is how much they pay per year. All right. So they need you to have Microsoft skills and communication skills, Microsoft Excel and communication skills. Only that, guys. Okay. So you're gonna get paid, and this amount of money, and it's gonna be full time. And then they have paid time off. They have experience level. You can be entry level. That's okay. And you're gonna work 8 hour shift Monday to Friday. So now let's see part-time executive assistant. Yes, they have this part-time executive assistants. They have flexible schedule. Wow, this is good. And this is the qualification. 3 years of experience. Yes, in MailChimp, Microsoft Outlook, calendar editing, digital marketing, graphic design, and also they request you to have bachelor degree. So the company is People Share. Yes, they work remotely as well. This job was posted 18 hours ago. So moving on to the next job, we have this customer service representative. They pay up to $15 per hour, and you're gonna work remotely, and it's from this company, Press One Customer Care. Yes, they have this position, customer service representative. It's gonna be full-time job. They have benefits as paid time off, and also qualification, customer service, writing skills, Windows, and data entry. So guys, if you enjoy data entry and then you have these writing skills, this job can be for you. And as far as I can see, uh there is no years of experience required to this job. So moving on to the next one, it's called homeowner support representative. So they have this payment up to $25 per hour. All right, and it's from this company, Goodman Manufacturing Company, homeowner support representative, and this is their benefits. They have 401k and also health insurance and everything you need to have. Yes, they have this qualification: Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, high school diploma, analytic skills, data entry, and 1 year of experience. Also, you have to have communication skills. The company is Goodman Manufacturing Company. Yes, let's move on to this another job they have for today. 100% remote Salesforce data analyst. They have this remote Salesforce data analyst. Yes, from this company, Michael Page. Yes, it's located in New York. This is their pay per year, up to 62,000 per year. Mm-hmm. And they have this qualification. Yes, Salesforce, data entry, communication skills, time management, data management, bachelor degree, and so many more. So I can see there is no years of experience to this position. So it means anyone can apply. But guys, as you can see, they need bachelor degree in a relevant field or equivalent work experience. So if you don't have a degree, you can show your work experience. That will be good as well. Moving on to the next job, we have customer service representative call center. If you click here, it's gonna be um you're gonna be paid. Yeah, we have already seen this job, so we don't want to repeat. And also, let's see, uh customer service representative from the similar company. This one we did. All right. Okay. Customer service representative again from this company. Great Day Improvement, a family of Bland. This is the name of the company, okay? They are hiring and you can be paid up to 42,000 per year. Yes, you can find this company and study about it and also apply if you are interested. Yes, they have this position, full-time position. Qualification is Microsoft Word, CRM software, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Outlook, data entry, high school diploma, computer skills, and also customer service. Yes, as far as I can see, there is no experience. Let's see, previous experience handling uh, customer concern required, experience in call center environment viewed favorable. Yes, excellent computer skills. Yes, experience managing multiple system and the resource, all that, guys. Experience they require 1 year of experience at least on call center as well as data entry. Yes, the position is fully remote. So we have so many jobs, guys, here today. There is this client service coordinator. Mhm. Client service coordinator is from this company, Quality Partner. Again, if you're interested, you have to visit the website Quality Partner and see how this company works. Understand the company before you apply. Yes, the qualification is customer service, basic math, high school diploma, data entry, computer skills, phone etiquette, 2 years of experience, communication skills, as well as time management. Yes. Okay, yes, they have all these. Those are the qualification. Again, job qualification. If you have at least 2 to 4 years of customer service representative is required, and also 1 year of data entry. Okay, so it's gonna be full remote, but guys, you have to be in the United States. Yes, they have this. You don't have to show degree or anything. So if you want to apply, you have to click here. Service coordinator. As you can see, this is it. Okay, and then apply. Okay, so this is it, guys, and you have to obviously apply to this. Start your application. You have to fill everything. That's it. Okay, so they have other jobs. If you see jobs openings, you can filter accordingly and see if you are interested. Let's say product manager, benefit specialist, all these guys. As long as you know the company name, that is very, very important. This search engine help us to know the way to find maybe the companies which are hiring. Okay, similar to maybe LinkedIn, you can go to Indeed, LinkedIn, and find all those new jobs. Yes, guys. Okay, so I think we have seen enough for today, guys. Utilization review coordinator. This is a good job, actually. Let's see. This one is remote, and they're gonna pay up to $24 per hour. Here there is their qualification. Data entry, medical record, math, medical technology, terminology, utilization review, Microsoft Excel, all this kind. And also they have benefits, as you see. So let's see the detailed qualification. Yes, this job will pay you up to $24 per hour. And guys, those are the qualification, okay? So yeah, make sure you read the job description very carefully and understand their qualification, okay? So before you apply, the job position is from Pyramid Healthcare. Uh, that is the company, and also they have another company. So I like this. Actually, um this is the website Simply Hired. They have let's say chat support. You can filter support, only chat support. Let's see, part-time remote customer service chat support. Welfare is hiring. Okay, part-time remote customer service chat. This job was posted 10 hours ago, and they're gonna pay you up to $15 per hour. They have this qualification. There is no degree required, as far as you can see, only high school diploma, conflict management, typing skills, communication skills, negotiation skills as well. Okay, so that's it, guys. Hourly rate pay, yes, $15 per hour. So depending on your location, increase this amount of money will increase depending on your location. Also, they have referral bonus for $500 per eligible referral. Yes, you must have 18 years old, you know, all this. So, guys, if you're interested to work on Wayfair.com, you can work with them, guys. Okay, so yeah, pretty much that's it. And read through. If you are rather not have your return data, please contact us. So you can contact them if if you have any question again, or you can click here to take you to the website wayfair.com. It's gonna be for US only, okay? And then start your application. You're gonna fill the information to this form and then submit. Yes, guys. So this is the position that I had for today. For those who are interested to non-phone jobs, go to this website simplyhired.com, filter non-phone. You can even filter maybe virtual assistant. You can filter any job that you want. You will find everything you need to this website. Have a great time, guys. I hope to see you soon. I post jobs every single day. Yes, I know you know the website. Yes, I know I don't have information where I put the jobs. I don't want to come here and show you the one simple job position because I know you are looking for different variety of jobs. That's why I like to share where I always get those jobs, so that if you are on free time, go to visit the website and also get yourself those positions. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope to see you soon. Have a great time. Bye bye.